This video guide will provide you with instructions to remove the new ransomware that is called Tgipus. This is the ransomware type threat that affects the majority of popular file types. The ransomware encrypts these files and does not allow people to open them. So, before the ransomware actually infects the files, people can open them without any problems. They can open pictures, all sorts of Microsoft Office documents and other data. But this is what happens after the ransomware actually affects the files. It starts encrypting them, and pretty soon it adds a special extension to all these files and does not let people use their data anymore. So this Tgipus extension is added in addition to the main file extension, and there is some other unique identifier that people see in the additional extension, but Tgipus is this main extension that is added. The ransomware tells its victims to pay this special ransom for the file recovery. But believe me, there is no point to pay the ransom because there is no guarantee that people would get their files restored. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware, but first thing you could do is to check the task manager, and if you find some suspicious processes that could be related to this ransomware, and their tasks to stop the further file encryption. To remove the ransomware, go to the C drive, select Program Files, choose Internet Explorer, because other browsers and their desktop icons may be also modified. So go to Internet Explorer browser. We recommend you to download Combo Cleaner antivirus through the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download Combo Cleaner button. Download the application, install it, and start investigating your computer. To actually start Combo Cleaner, you might need to access its folder through Program Files. Go to Combo Cleaner and then start Combo Cleaner directly through this location. So Combo Cleaner will help you to protect your files from being damaged in future, and it will help you to remove this Tgipus ransomware effectively. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will need to select your scan type. In fact, 3 scan types are available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. Even though the trial mode only gives you the Quick Scan option. Full Scan and Custom Scan are the parts of the premium license. So to use these 2 scan types, the premium license upgrade is required. So click on Start Scan button in order to detect and identify all sorts of malware, ransomware, and other threats on your computer. While the scanning is in progress, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, if you go to the settings and click on Anti-Ransomware tabs, you can add a special folder which will store the files that will be duly protected against ransomware attacks and encryption. So this feature, however, is only the part of the premium license. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed, and at the end of scan you will need to click on the Remove All Threats button. This will help you to get rid of the ransomware type threats and other threats such as adware, browser hijackers, and other kinds of computer infections.